Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these jelly nails that also glow in the dark. So for this look, I'll be using LongHairPrettyNails Clear Acrylic and also the LongHairPrettyNails number 8 Oval Kolinsky brush, my collab with Alpha Brush. These products are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. And to create the jelly effect, I'm using these gel polishes, and these are by Love Jazzery. You guys see me use these plenty of times, but I will leave links down below to these. And to get that jelly effect, I'll be mixing it with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. Alright, so I'm going to be sculpting these nails out. I'm using these extra long pink nail forms. I picked these up from Amazon. Make sure to check the info box for the link. But yeah, I like to use these. These are my favorite, especially when I'm doing really long nails. So I'm just going to put these on my fingers. And if you would like a detailed instructional video of how I do this, I do have a beginner series and I do have a playlist on my channel. I will link that down below as well, but it does go into more detail about how I do all this stuff if you have questions. Alright, so once I have all the nail forms on, I'm going to go in with the No Lift Nails primer. And I'm just going to go right into applying the clear acrylic, and I'll be sculpting all of the nails using the clear only. So this is just going to be a little redundant, but you guys can see how I actually form the nails. So these are the nails that I did for my live stream. The one that turned out to be 4 hours and 40 minutes. I can't believe that. But it was so long because I was kind of fumbling through this. This was my first time trying out like the jelly nails with gel. So I had some trial and error that I will speak to you guys about once we get to that. I also want to mention that I noticed that you guys love the Hubby Does My Voiceover video. I was not expecting that to get the response that it got. So yeah, that is something that we're thinking about, you know, putting into rotation. So let me know what you guys think about that. So after the acrylic has set, I went ahead and removed the forms, and now I'm doing my shaping and filing. Now I'm going to create the jelly polish, and what I do is start off with some drops of the top coat, and then I mix in the color, and I use this gel brush to mix the mixture together until I get the color strength that I want. So this was the very first trial, so I went ahead and mixed the color to how I thought I would want it to be. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the nail. I did end up doing this again because the gel polish color didn't seem to blend really well. So I did take this orange off and did it later on, but I'll show you guys that. So I do have this towel that I'm working on, and it is perfect for easy cleanup. As you can see, the gel polish just wipes right off. So I'm going in with the next color, which is the pink, and I apply the gel top coat and also the color, mixing it together this time with a dotting tool. And I found that I got a better mixture with this one. The color was more even and it came out better. So definitely, if you're going to try this, do not mix your gel top coat and your gel color with a brush. Go ahead and mix it with, like, you know, a toothpick or a dotting tool. You'll get a much better mixture. And as you can see, I'm also testing out the color on a clear tip just to make sure that it's the color that I want it to be, that it's, you know, as opaque as I want it to be, but still be kind of clear, you know, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I just went ahead and repeated this for all of the colors. I did end up doing 2 thin coats of each color, of course curing after each coat. So that is how I applied that. So right here I am going in with that orange again, and as you can see, I am mixing that with the dotting tool. You get a much better mixture. The color is super even. So yeah, I went ahead and filed off that previous color, and now I'm going in with the new orange mixture. And as you can see, it is less thick and it's more easier to work with, and the color is much more even. And I just repeat the same thing for the index fingernail using the yellow gel polish. Alright, so after curing all of that, I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Gel Glow. I don't believe I used this on my channel yet, but I've had this in my stash for a while. And it's just glow in a dark powder that is mixed with a clear gel polish. So what you do is go ahead and apply a coat of this to all of your nails. Go ahead and cure it, and you'll still need to apply your top coat over this. But what this is, you know, it gives your nails some glow in the dark goodness. I don't know why I haven't used this yet. I guess I forgot that I had it, but I do believe Poochie still sell it, so I will link it down below. So next, I'm going in with my Bling combination. I like to use the Poochie's Nails Bling Gel along with the Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And what I do first is apply the Bling Gel. And then while that gel is still wet, I go over it with the top coat. And this is what I like to use to apply my crystals and stones, and they do not budge. They do not, you know, fly off. I literally have to pull these off. So I'm just going in with a corresponding color of Swarovski crystal along with some iridescent crystals. The iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply some bling to all of these nails, and I'm really loving how the colors of the jelly nails came out. Of course, you don't know what it's gonna look like until the top coat gets on there, but I am very happy with it. So after applying the crystals to each nail, I went ahead and cured for 60 seconds and then I moved on to the next nail. This just ensures that none of the crystals moved while I worked on the other fingers. So after that, I'm just applying some gel top coat underneath the nails. And I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So after my nails have cooled down, I'm just applying my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I so love how these jelly nails came out. This was my first time trying this out and I really love that it turned out so well with gel polish. I do understand that there are designated gel polishes for this, but you don't always have to buy something in order to try out a new design. Most of the time you can use what you have and kind of work with it. So that's what I do. And also we cannot forget the glow in the dark. Oh my God. This is so mesmerizing. I just love how these came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com, check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.